Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Pay's temporary unavailable. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to use your Apple Pay, but you're facing the issue that your Apple Pay is temporarily unavailable, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection because sometimes a weak network connection might have these type errors. So you just have to try to connect with the strongest and stable network connection. Or you can also try to open your browser and try to browse any website to check if your internet is working well or not. So after checking your network connection, you have to open your settings app, go to general, go to VPN and device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. After disconnecting your VPN, if you're connected, just go to the language region option, select region, select your own region in which you're living. Go back, go to data time section, enable the toggle to set your data time automatically. Again, go back, go to software update, and try to update your software. If you find any kind of pending software update here, just try to update your software. After updating software, simply go back, and here you just have to try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to try to contact the Apple support team. Or one more thing you can try, you have to open your settings app. Very first, go to screen time section. Go to content privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. Then go back, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any kind of issue with your iPhone network settings, it will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. But if you're still facing the same issues, that's the only way. You have to simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Select your iPhone from here, then select subscriptions and purchases, and here select Unable to Purchase. Now just wait for this loading here, and you just have to select the option of Get More Help, then tap on Call Us. After that, you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected to the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.